Hey, what's up guys, Lex over here, and I just want to show you, it's a regular day. I'm in my office and I got some checks here and I'm looking at them. I just want to go through them with you so you can take a look, right? So here's this house over on Red Wing and here's the HUD. I just closed on a sale a couple of days ago and here's my proceeds, cash to seller, $29,589, and there's my check to go along with that, $29,000. I don't know if you can see that number there. Is that focused in there? I got to get it in the box. There we go. Okay, so then because I was a realtor and I listed this myself, I also got the realtor's commission. So there's another $52.50 of realtor commission listed on the HUD right there. So you can see that. Okay, and there's my check for that, $48.70, because I got to pay the broker. And then here's another check for $10,000, a little over $10,000, and here's some more, right? So the point is that you can make pretty good money fixing and flipping houses, right? And the house that I just made the $34,000 on, right? That a couple of videos back I did. If you look, you'll see a couple of videos ago I posted myself standing in front of a house and there was a Hubzu sign there. It was actually a house I purchased from a wholesaler, and I bought that house for $110,000 and spent about $25 fixing it up, put it on the market at $179, and you know, here's the end result. You're sitting with $34,000 profit. So fixing and flipping can be pretty lucrative, as you can see, right? And I want to show you how to do this. So I got a webinar. If you want to get started, if you're thinking about doing this, I'd love to see you at my fixing and flipping boot camp, which we hold a few times a year here in South Florida. But before you do that, just go ahead and watch the webinar, because I think that if you see the webinar, you see examples of myself and my students and how many different students and how many deals they're doing and the kind of profits they're making, then you'll have a much better indication, understanding of what fixing and flipping is all about. And it is free, so just go ahead and register. I'll put the link below, and I hope to see you at the boot camp.